It's VQs.
Original Batman. Lego. Fire can't cool me up blazing. Me I be the one that bless me. Them bagger come can't taste me. Them bagger come can't taste me. Bad man, me I know say me a better than them. Them a call me yard, me a better than all. Bad man, me I never back down, stop. Them a mama got me a damn. Me a tell them me a what I done. Tell them okay what I done, me a done. Tell them let them hear what I want. Tell them me out, let them hear what I want. Say they don't try run me down. Bad man, me I never talk on me own.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and thanks for tuning in. I hope you all are well. So in today's video, I'm going to be styling this wig from Afsisterwig. So when this hair came, it came as a 14 inches bob wig. I already did an installation video for this wig, but unfortunately something happened while I was editing the video. If you use Final Cut Pro, you must have come across an issue where it says missing camera. So I was supposed to re-upload the video from my camera. I had already deleted the video, so there was no way I could, re-upload it, and the only thing I could do was to remake the video. And my first installation, I wasn't satisfied with the length of the hair because it was 14 inches. I wanted something shorter, so I decided to just cut it into this style. I've been seeing a lot of people wearing this style on the internet, and I've always wanted to remake something like this, and I'm actually very glad that I did this style because, to be honest, I love the look of it. I so much love it. So that's basically what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be cutting this bob wig, and like I said before, this hair is from Afsisterwig. I'm going to leave every details of the wig in my description box below in case you guys are interested. And by the way, this is a 13x6 lace front wig. So yeah, without wasting much time, let's jump right into this video.
Steady on time, yeah, don't be late, Said I'm in love with you, and I'ma give you anything you want, and I'ma give you anything you need. Batman.
Okay, so this is a 13x6 lace frontal wig. So this is what the lace looks like on my skin. It looks really transparent. Anyways, I'm going to bleach the knot of this hair. It does look bleached. Oh my god, I think they bleached it already. Yes guys, I'm really excited. I was already planning on bleaching this hair. I have all the products that I needed to bleach the hair right here, but opening the box and realizing that the hair had already been bleached. Look at that, guys. See, so they also included samples of different types of lace and how they look like on. So I'm going to try this out. Let's try this out and see. So guys, this is what all three laces looks like against my skin. Here I have the regular medium brown lace, which matches absolutely well with my skin tone, and in the middle I have the Swiss lace, which is very thin and invisible. You can barely even see this one. I absolutely love it. And the transparent lace is also not bad against my skin, but is a bit clear for me. Like, you can see that I have lace right here compared to these two. So the middle one, which is the Swiss lace, is my favorite, followed by the medium brown lace. So right now, go ahead and wash the hair. But before that, let me quickly show you guys the rest of the things that came with this hair.
Original Batman, you don't know.
It's VQs.
Standard. Body smoking like a cigarette. Oh, baby, I can smoke it out. Yeah. Say now you I want to see. When I wake up in the morning, say now you I want to feel. Anywhere that I be going, baby make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you. Oh, baby make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you. Girls them a random. Me I fit to turn them down. Anywhere we go, see them be hating now. She carry you. Her body amazing, oh. My baby, oh. I go love you forever, oh. Girl, for your body, I'ma risk it. I'ma risk it. Chop your body, girl, like a biscuit. Like a biscuit. Oh yeah, dark she jeje. No they do me, she get. You wanna come move fair. Now you I want to. Body smoking like a cigarette. Oh, baby I can smoke it all. Say now you I want to see. When I wake up in the morning, say now you I want to feel. Anywhere that I be going, baby make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you. Oh, baby make you ginger me.
Like, what is this style called? Because to be honest, I don't even know what this is called. I know that is a bob wig, but you know, where you have one side shorter than the other side, I don't know if there's a particular name for this style, but if you guys know, let me know in the comment section below. I'm going to insert clips of my first installation because I do have pictures of my first installation of this wig. I'm going to insert it and I'll leave you guys to be the judge which one you like most, but I love this style the more. So yeah, that's basically it. I hope you guys found it helpful. Like I said in the beginning of this video, this wig is from AFSISTERSWIG. I will leave every details of the wig in my description box below in case you guys are interested. And please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed. I love you guys, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.
I want to see. When I wake up in the morning, say now you I want to feel. Anywhere that I be going, baby make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that